I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your app, on your Fox Sports app. So you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here until you found apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you're looking for Fox Sports app, or just click on search. So then here at Fox Sports, it's going to show for you like this. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage, here just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store. You just click here on Play Store. So then here you search for Fox Sports. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,